This AI tool makes ChatGPT generate text to video in seconds. With this AI tool, you can create a video in minutes with just a single line of command. In this video, I will demonstrate how to do it and show you the results. Please stay tuned and consider subscribing to my channel to support me. Thank you. Part 1. Register to Elai AI tool. Open Elai.io and click Try Elai for free to register. Fill the form and confirm your email to get started. Part 2. Generate video Elai AI tool. Step 1. Click Using GPT3 and enter your prompt. In this video I asked GPT-3 to create a video about AI in the next 20 years. Step 2. Click Select Template and choose your template. And click Create Video to start generating your video. Part 3. Fine-tune with AI tool after your video created. Check your video layout and content. You can edit and change if needed. Step 1. Select the best voice actor for your video. Click Apply to All to apply audio to all video. Step 2. You can improve your video by change its background with stock image or video provided by the website. Use search bar to search desired video. Select video, and click Add button to add this video to our project. Click Apply as background to use this video as background. Step 3. Edit title and text if needed. You can also add animation to it. Step 4. Edit video script if needed. Step 5. You can add music to from music library. Step 6. You can change video aspect ratio and add hard sub. Part 4. Render and download if everything is good. Click Render button to start rendering process. You will get your video link in your email. It needs several minutes to get done. Check your email and download the video. Thanks for watching.